This is the SPAC ISO SDNC Series Cylinder. In this video, we'll walk you through how to check for leakage and replace the seal kit in your SDNC cylinder, step by step. But before we begin, let's quickly understand what typically causes leakage. It can be due to a worn-out piston seal, a damaged joint O-ring, a dent on the piston rod, or dust inside the cylinder body. Here's a quick look at the cylinder parts you'll be working with. This is the front cup side. This is the rear cup side. This is the barrel. This is a piston rod. These are masking caps. This is a chuck nut. Firstly, we have to test the leakage in the cylinder. So we will assemble the fitting at the front cup side port. After that, supply the air pressure in the front cup port and apply some thick soap at the rear cup port. If you see bubbles forming, the piston seal is leaking. Now remove the fitting from the front cup side port and attach it to the rear cup side port. If you see bubbles forming, there is a leakage. Now wipe the soap solution which is over the cylinder and clean it. Now we will check joint leakage. Next, apply thick soap at the joint between the barrel and the end cover. If bubbles appear here, it indicates joint leakage. Now we will check the leakage from the rod seal. Apply soap near the rod seal area. Seeing bubbles here confirms that the rod seal is leaking. Now, let's see how to replace the seals in a pneumatic cylinder. Start removing the chuck nut. Then unscrew the Allen bolt with an Allen key. Now carefully remove the piston rod. Remove the damaged piston seal with the help of a tool. After opening the cylinder properly, we will see if the piston seals are damaged. Now thoroughly clean the piston with the help of an air gun. This is your seal kit. This is a piston seal. This is a rod seal. This is a barrel joint O-ring. This is a cushion seal. This is a piston rod joint O-ring. Now it's time to place the new piston seal. Now gently apply the pneumatic cylinder grease on the piston and piston rod properly. Remove the circlip with the help of an internal circlip plier. After that, we will remove the rod seal with the help of a tool and replace it with a new one. Now clean the rod seal area properly to remove any dust or debris with an air gun. Now carefully insert the new rod seal with a gentle push. Again, gently apply the pneumatic cylinder grease. Now place the circlip back with the help of an internal circlip plier. Ensure proper placement before moving to the next step. Now let's place the barrel joint O-ring precisely into its groove. Make sure it's aligned properly and sits without gaps. If the cushion seal is working properly, then there is no need to replace it. Now, let's reassemble the cylinder step by step, making sure everything fits properly. Avoid rushing this step. Confirm precise alignment for a secure fit. With the Allen key, retighten the Allen bolt to lock the cylinder properly. After assembling, test the cylinder again for leaks by applying soap solution as before. This time, there are no bubbles, confirming that the seal replacement has worked. Be sure to inspect for leakage again. Your cylinder will be fully operational in 10 minutes, without needing an expert's help. Wipe off the soap solution and repeat the test. Check for leaks at the front cup side, barrel joints, and piston rod. Clean your SDNC cylinder thoroughly with an air gun. And that's it. Your SDNC cylinder is now leak-free and ready to use. By following these steps, you can confidently check for leakage and change the seal kit when needed. Discover the power of SPAC Pneumatic and revolutionize your pneumatic solutions. Just drop a "Hi" at our WhatsApp number 012047333333 or visit our website spacpneumatic.com for more information.